Mike Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, also known as the Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge, is a remarkable engineering achievement spanning the Colorado River between Nevada and Arizona. Located approximately 30 miles southeast of Las Vegas, within the Lake Mead National Recreation Area, the bridge carries Interstate 11 and US Route 93 over the river, providing a safer and more efficient route than the previous path over the Hoover Dam. Visitors can access a pedestrian walkway on the bridge, offering panoramic views of the Hoover Dam and the Colorado River. A parking area is available on the Nevada side, with stairs and ramps leading to the walkway. The bridge is open to pedestrians and vehicles 24 hours a day, providing both a functional transportation route and a scenic viewpoint for tourists. Bring essentials. There is no shade along the walkway, so wear sunscreen, a hat, and bring plenty of water. Design and structure. This open spandrel deck arch bridge is the first concrete steel composite arch bridge built in the United States. It boasts the longest concrete arch in the Western Hemisphere, with a main span of 1,060 feet, and stands 890 feet above the Colorado River, making it the second highest bridge in the U.S. after the Royal Gorge Bridge. A 6-foot-wide pedestrian walkway runs along the side of the bridge facing the Hoover Dam, offering panoramic views of the dam and the Colorado River 900 feet below. The walkway is accessible only from the Nevada side and does not connect to the Arizona side. The round-trip walk across the bridge is approximately 1.3 miles, 2.1 kilometers. Construction timeline. Construction began in February 2005 and was completed in October 2010. The bridge opened to pedestrian traffic on October 16, 2010, and to vehicular traffic on October 19, 2010. The entire Hoover Dam Bypass project, including the bridge, was completed within budget at a cost of $240 million, with the bridge itself costing $114 million. Namesakes. The bridge honors two individuals, Mike O'Callaghan, a former governor of Nevada and decorated Korean War veteran, and Pat Tillman, an NFL player who left his football career to enlist in the U.S. Army and was killed in Afghanistan. For those interested in engineering, history, or breathtaking views, the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge is a must-visit landmark near the Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam, a marvel of modern engineering. The Hoover Dam is one of the most iconic and impressive engineering feats in American history. Located on the border between Nevada and Arizona, it spans the Colorado River and forms Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States by volume. Constructed during the Great Depression, the dam was a monumental effort to provide water storage, flood control, hydroelectric power, and employment in a time of economic hardship. Construction of the Hoover Dam began in 1931 and was completed in 1936, 2 years ahead of schedule. Originally known as the Boulder Dam, it was later renamed in honor of President Herbert Hoover, who played a significant role in its development. The project was managed by the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation and built by a consortium of construction companies called Six Companies, Inc. Over 21,000 workers were involved in the project, enduring extreme heat, dangerous conditions, and long hours. Despite these challenges, the dam was constructed with remarkable precision and durability. The Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the Black Canyon. It is made from over 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete, enough to build a 2-lane highway from San Francisco to New York. The dam's massive structure holds back the waters of the Colorado River, creating Lake Mead, which provides water to over 25 million people across Nevada, Arizona, California, and Mexico. One of the dam's most important functions is hydroelectric power generation. The dam houses 17 main turbines and generates about 4 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually, enough to power approximately 1.3 million homes. This energy is distributed to municipalities and utilities across the southwestern United States, making the dam a critical component of the region's infrastructure. Beyond its practical uses, Hoover Dam has become a major tourist attraction, drawing nearly 1 million visitors each year. Tourists can explore the visitor center, walk across the dam, and learn about its history and construction through guided tours and exhibits. The nearby Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, completed in 2010, offers stunning views of the dam and the Colorado River from 900 feet above. The dam also serves as a symbol of American resilience and ingenuity. Its construction marked a turning point in the nation's ability to harness natural resources for human benefit, and remains a testament to the skill and determination of the workers who built it. The dam has been designated a National Historic Landmark and continues to inspire awe in engineers, historians, and travelers alike. In summary, the Hoover Dam is far more than a concrete structure. It is a living legacy of innovation, cooperation, and vision. From powering cities to providing water and drawing tourists from around the globe, it stands as a pillar of America's development in the 20th century and beyond.